Good morning, class. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. This morning we're going to start on lesson 14, chapter 14 in our math books. This is actually the last full chapter that we'll be working on this school year. So this chapter is going to be about graphs and data. It's really interesting and it's not hard at all. It's really pretty easy. But the first thing that I want you to do, and I took out the pages, you don't have to, but if you get your math book and turn to page 800, so this is 799, and then right on the back is page 800. We're going to do a little review right quick. This is review what you know. Make sure you're putting your name on your papers, at least one of them, so I'll know when I see it in my email. When I save the pictures, sometimes they get mixed up, so make sure you put your name on it. It says that at the top. I'll just read each of these and you mark the answer. I'm not going to give you the answers, but send me a picture of it so I can see how you have done. Number 1, circle the number that has a 6 in the tens place. 406, 651, 160. Number 2, circle the tally marks that show 6. Look in the box, which one equals 6? Number 3, circle the difference. 22 minus 9 equals 13, or 34 plus 61 equals 95. Which one is the difference? And if I'm going too fast, pause the video. Number 4, a zoo has 405 snakes. It has 375 monkeys. Compare the number of snakes to the number of monkeys. Write greater than or less than in the circle. And number 5, interpret data. Picnic tickets sold. Jean, Paulo, and Fatima have numbers in the boxes to show how many tickets they sold. Who sold the most picnic tickets? So easy. Number 6, addition and subtraction. Byron scores 24 points in a game. Ava scores 16 points in the same game. How many more points does Byron score than Ava? Figure out if you have to add or subtract and put your answer down there. Now, when you finish that, the next thing we're going to do is go over our vocabulary words for this chapter. And we don't have that many, and then we're going to make word cards or flashcards to help you learn the terms. So make sure you get a pair of scissors so that you can cut these out, and on the back you're going to write the answer that's on the front. So let me read the back of the cards and you pick out which is the correct answer. A blank uses bars to show data. Which one of these do you think is that? Right here, bar graph. So write the word bar graph in the blank that says that. Understand? So make sure you have the word that's on the front right there in the blank on the back. Next, a blank uses dots above a number line to show data. Which one is that? If you said line plot, that's correct. And you see a picture right there of dots to show the data over the number line. Blank are information you collect. Data. And it doesn't have an S. Data is already plural. So it says data are information you collect. So it doesn't mean that this is this chart has data in it, but that's not the kind of chart it is. It just has data in it. How about a blank uses pictures to show data? Which one is that? A picture graph, because it uses pictures to show data. And we'll be looking at that. Here's an example right here, drawing little pictures. See? That's kind of fun too. A blank is a picture or character that stands for something. A symbol. That's the only thing left, and you'll write that in the blank where it says, has it right there. A symbol is a picture or character that stands for something. So in that one it says drawing a picture of a little person stands for one student. Got it? Good. And see if it also says extend learning by writing your own sentence using each word. So can you write, it has some space at the bottom for you to write your own sentence. Use those words in the sentence so that you will be familiar. We'll be talking about these words all week and part of next week until we get those straight. So that's all for today. Sorry, but if you want some more to do, then go to your Prodigy, because in Prodigy we have some an assignment that has to do with graphs and data, so it'll help you practice before we even do our next lesson. All right, see you next time.